Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Audi Q7 service due light. First, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Make sure all your doors are completely closed. This ensures the system is ready for the reset process. You'll be using the buttons on your MMI control panel, so familiarize yourself with their layout. This easy method will save you a trip to the dealership. Next, press the CAR button on your MMI control panel. This will bring up the main vehicle settings menu. Use the MMI knob to navigate and select service interval. Once you're in this submenu, you'll see an option to reset oil change interval. This is the key step to clear the service reminder. To perform the reset, press and hold the MMI knob down for a few seconds. You should see a confirmation message appear on the screen, indicating that the oil change interval has been reset. Once you see this message, you can release the knob. It's a simple action, but crucial for the system to register the change. Finally, turn off your Audi Q7's ignition completely. Wait a moment, then restart the vehicle. Check your dashboard display. The service due message should now be gone. This confirms that the reset was successful. You've now successfully cleared the service reminder using this straightforward method, saving time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.